Oh, satisfying that it stopped working. Got to be careful, flammable. Get the bomb squad in. Hi everybody, it's Carla here. For today's video, I just can't begin to tell you how excited I am. So we're going to be unboxing my MacBook. So really that's all I have to say, and let's get to the fun part. Okay, it's torn a tiny bit already. So let's just rip it open. Ah, here's the box! Okay, right. I've never had a MacBook before, so my reactions are like crazy. Oh, okay, right. Got to be careful. Flammable. Get the bomb squad in. Okay, I swear it's gonna fly out. Oh, do you see it? It's upside down, obviously. It's actually really heavy. Or am I just too weak? Maybe that's the issue. Let's get rid of this and recycle it. She's here. She's here. And this is the 13-inch MacBook Air in space grey. It is 256GB based SSD. No idea what that means. 2 Thunderbolt USB ports, a headphone jack, Touch ID, which would be really good, a full-size backlit Magic Keyboard, FaceTime HD camera, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, pre-installed Mac OS, and I'm not even going to bother reading the size and weight because it's so confusing. That's pretty much everything, so I'm just gonna pull here. Oh, satisfying that it stopped working. What? Have I done something wrong? There we go. Okay. Right, if this falls on the ground I'm dead. Just opening the box carefully. Is it gonna open? Okay, here comes the lid. It's like one of really slow lids. It's taking forever. So, here she is. Let's tack her at the box. I'm so scared. Right, let's try her. Very slim. We're just gonna peel this protective layer. Ooh, satisfying. Well, not really, because I don't know if Mac thinks satisfying. Ooh, wow, I love it. Anyway, what else is in the box? Right, so we've got this weird card thing. Made in California, the usual. And it comes here, instruction manual. Welcome to your MacBook Air. MacBook Air automatically starts up when you lift the lid. Okay, that's good. Menu bar, blah blah blah, okay, instructions, good. And then we get some cute stickers. Love them. Right, and then we've got this interesting plug, which again has got some satisfying peel. Okay, I'm tearing it, I'm not even satisfying. Then you just click, oh, there's still more baking paper on it. Oh, this is so unsatisfying. The most unsatisfying thing ever. Okay, how does this work? Pretty cool, right? Anyway, on with the tour. We've got this really thick cable thing. Not satisfying at all. Oh, she's quite long, but let's plug her into this port. And I'm pretty sure it's maybe like 2 meters long. Well, I care about the charger, we just care about setting the MacBook up. How do you open this? Me trying to open it the wrong way around. Great start. What's so thin? Scared. Wait, what? Is this meant to be on it? No. Oh my gosh, let's take a quick zoom in. So she's loading. Oh wow, this is like the smoothest mouse and keyboard ever.
Use English as the main language. Press the return key.
English,
Use British English as the main language. Press the return key.
Right, we're using English as the main language. By using this software, you agree. Yeah, what cares? Okay, I need to get the Wi-Fi. Focus. Okay, we're in. Just thought I'd show you. Right, updates available. Okay, I better update it. But I wonder if it is iMovie, because I have no idea how does this work. This is completely different to Windows, so I'm gonna be a bit woo. Oh, here's the search button. iMovie. Oh, it's verifying iMovie, so here we go. I'm gonna quickly give you a tour of my MacBook. So the apps we have here is Finder, Launchpad, Safari, Mail, FaceTime, Messages, Maps, Photos, Contacts, Calendar, Reminders, Notes, Music, Podcasts, TV, News, Number, Keynote, Pages, App Store, System Preferences, QuickTime Player, iMovie, Documents, and the bin. Okay, so just here I'm showing you iMovie. I've already kind of been getting to cane it, so I've already been editing on it, so that's why it's up. And this is me on FaceTime, peace. And then this is just Messenger, or Messages, sorry. And I've got System Preferences, and I'm just going to show you the display and screensaver settings. There's some pretty cool backgrounds and stuff you have, but mine's just kind of generic, abstract, I suppose you could say. And we're on Safari, so it's just your favourite apps, Apple, Bing, Yahoo and Google. And then this is just me typing in some stupid example. www.example.com, lol. And then this is just the App Store. It's pretty cool, it's got like an arcade and everything. So that's quite interesting. I'll have to have a look into that. I've actually seen what you can purchase on the App Store. And here's SpongeBob. So I would like to say that it's the end of the unboxing. It probably was not as detailed as you would have wanted, but I really didn't ken what to get into and how to work this yet. So I'm going to take a bit of time to get to cane it and then do a video in the future about how I edit and film my videos on my Mac. So I'll have to get to cane. I think there's an earthquake. So subscribe if you want to see that and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to like this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!